Hi everybody, welcome back to Silver Lining channel. A very happy Diwali. Yes, very happy Diwali. I hope the houses has been cleaned, purchases has been done, diyas and the lamps are glowing. Everyone's face it is lit up with happiness. We have again done victory, the light, victory of light over darkness. Let's make this Diwali not only for 4 days, but our life itself should be an experience of Diwali. Yes, friends. When we think as if residing in this body of clay, soul is an embodiment of purity. When we light this diya with this understanding, the darkness of ego will be finished. Religion of peace, language of love, decorum of respect, and a culture of unity. We need to create such a world. We need to bring Diwali on this planet. Matters from the past are still alive in our mind. Dust of misunderstanding has gathered. Stains of disrespect have developed. Unnecessary memories are lingering. Come, besides cleaning our homes, let us clean every corner of our mind. New clothes, naye kapde, naye bartan. Diwali is a time of newness. To make our life auspicious, let's have new ways of thinking, new ways of behaving. Let us embrace new rituals, naye sanskar. Let us choose one new habit to fill our lives with peace and prosperity. We all like to give beautiful gifts on Diwali. Dry fruits or diyas, chocolates or sweets. But this Diwali, a small change. The most precious gift is I accept you as you are. Sweetness, sweeten our mouth. This Diwali, let us sweeten our relationships. मीठी बातें, प्यार भरी बातें, सम्मान भरी बातें. Let us fill other people and our life with happiness. Come, आइए, let us distribute दिल खुश मिठाइस to everyone. Diya. Diya means to give love. Diya of love. Happiness, diya of happiness. To give respect to everyone forever. Giving forever. प्यार दिया, सम्मान दिया, खुशियाँ दिया, हमेशा दिया, दिया. One diya lights up several diyas and creates a chain of lamps, Deepmala. Let's this diya glow forever, for life to remain auspicious forever. Purity, love, and peace should be the magic words. Let us win over ego. Let us win over ego. Today, let us create shine and brightness in this universe. We had been asking others for love, happiness, and respect. Now, the flame of awaken has been lit up. The flame of wisdom has been lit up. We need to be giving, only giving. Having lightened our diya, we need to light other diyas too. सिर्फ हमारे घर में नहीं, औरों के घर में भी दिया जलानी चाहिए. We need to decorate the whole world, not just cleaning our home, but by cleaning this planets. Goddess Lakshmi will be invoked. Let's make our life a Diwali A very happy Diwali, friends. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Do share, like, and subscribe. Once again, please light a lamp of peace and happiness. Thank you so much.